The sun rose on day one of the road to Big Red. After yet another unforgettable breakfast at Casey's in Longreach, the boys and I hit the local shops for some supplies. My company for the next few days would be Ollie Wickham and Nathan Morris, and we get to know each other pretty well inside our loaded four-wheel drive. With Longreach in the rearview mirror, our first stop was Noonbah Station to meet Angus Emmet, a man with 9 species of creatures, great and small, named after him.
From lizards to subspecies of birds to spiders. Apart from being a grazier, I'm very interested in natural history, always have been. And part of that, I've become an honorary research associate of the Queensland Museum. So I've been closely looking at stuff out here for many, many years and collecting material and handing it into the museum. And every now and again, something will get named, and every now and again, some of the researchers actually are nice enough to put my name on them. So yeah, it's pretty neat.
Angus's grandmother acquired the 40,000 acres of land on which Noonbah Station sits in 1914. And there's not much that he and his wife Karen don't try their hands at.
We raise beef cattle, and every now and again we even make money out of it. We're down to one horse these days. We also got a couple of milking cows. I milk a cow every morning, so we have our own milk and we kill our own meat and grow most of our own veggies. Part of my natural history interests include natural history books, so I've got a fairly substantial library. We do run a tourism operation, which is mainly camping on our waterholes, and I do natural history guided tours if people wish. But we've also got, as well as the old schoolhouse, is a 5-bedroom homestead that Karen and I used to live in as well. So we do have some accommodation there for those that don't wish to spend time with the flies.
We were treated to an incredible banquet on the back deck, overlooking a custom-built animal refuge.
Karen and I are both wildlife carers. We built a big wetland there to attract birds, but we've also got part of it for young kangaroos.
But there weren't many around on that day, so I ended up getting up close and personal with someone a little less fluffy.
Oh, she's going to tell between the legs.
But way more cuddly.
Is that his tail between your legs, or are you just happy to see me?
His is about a 9-foot-long carpet python. His is being looked after as wildlife carers for the time being. Oh, just a beautiful big carpet python. I believe he's about, or she I should say, is about 25 years old. Probably a bit overweight. Probably shouldn't feed him quite so many rats, but she's a fair bit of snake.
Noonbah Station is an unreal spot. There's plenty to do, and you're close enough to town without being in anyone else's pocket. We ran out of time and had to go, but I'll be looking for any excuse to get back out to Angus's patch of paradise. On the next episode, we swing by the enormous Stonehenge address book before topping up at the first pub on our Western Queensland pub crawl. I mean, the road to Big Red.